Alright, here's another part. Basically some information about being a tractor trailer driver. Something I haven't seen a whole lot. If you all notice the wheels, those are called the trailer tandems. If you see the overhang on that, see how far up they are? I haven't seen a whole lot that shows that these move. It's called sliding the tandems. This is how you adjust your weight, and if you're getting ready to back in a dock like I am and drop the trailer, they usually want the tandem slid all the way back. Now on these new trucks, new trailers, it's real easy. Right underneath here, if you can see it, a little button you pull, it's air actuated, and it unlocks those lugs. And as you can see, there's several different holes that you can lock it into. And this one's going all the way back. Now unfortunately, since I'm alone, I can't actually show you them sliding, but I will show you how far they slid. And we'll get back up here in the Sally truck. What you do, you leave your trailer brakes locked, you release your tractor brakes, and you pull forward. If it doesn't want to slide, which it don't, put it in reverse, back up a little bit. There we go, I just heard them release, and now we pull forward. And there we go, we stopped. To lock them in, you just release your trailer brakes, roll forward a little bit, and this is called a Johnson bar. This right here just operates your trailer brakes alone. Pull forward, use the Johnson bar to stop, put it in reverse, use the Johnson bar to stop, and now they are locked in. We'll go outside and have a look. And as you can see, the tandems are slid right to the back of the trailer. That's just a little something that I haven't seen too many people show on YouTube or anywhere else. Alright, that's it. Let me get back to work. I'll upload a few more videos here. Anyway, have a good day, guys.